I'm Kyle Pillsbury with MarineMax in Fort Myers. Today I'm standing on a new trade that we have just taken in. It's a 2018 27 Dauntless. This is a pretty unique boat. There can't be another 27 Dauntless out there that has the features that this boat has. I'm standing on the optional activity swim platform. This is a big feature, expensive option from Boston Whaler. This is just one of many great features that I'm going to point out to you on this boat. It's powered by twin 300 Mercury Verados. Again, a unique feature to this boat. Most of the 27 Dauntlesses at best had 225 horsepower twins. You can also get this boat in a single, so it's powered very well, coupled to a jack plate. Next to the jack plate, we've got a power pole. Another great feature for this boat, it's a boat that you could easily fish offshore. You can fish it inshore, you can fish it in the flats. Again, it's a 27-foot boat, it's 9 feet wide, it's a big boat, but it has great fishability and it's an awesome cruising boat. Just to the right of me here, we've got a casting platform that quickly converts to a seat. And you've got nice hardware, so that's something I like to point out on a Boston Whaler, but big, thick stainless steel hinges, gas shocks. It's the best quality you're gonna find in a boat. Just to the left of me here, this is the leaning post. We've got a pressurized 30-gallon live well. It's blue, so you can easily see your bait, and it's also lit, so when you're fishing at night. What you probably can't see from where you are right now is we've got a Yeti cooler underneath the leaning post, which is great for your beverages. Another great feature that you're not going to find on a new or used 27 Dauntless is a pull-out sunshade. It's a great feature. It's all stainless steel construction with some umbrella canvas. Moving forward here, we've got a great helm seat. This is a double-wide helm seat. It's comfortable if you're standing. It's comfortable if you're sitting. You have great visibility forward. Electronics. This is another area that stands out on this boat. It's well equipped with electronics. So we've got twin 12-inch Axiom Pro displays from Ray Marine. We also have autopilot. This is a boat, again, that you can fish offshore, cruise inshore. Has all the features that bigger boats are going to have. We've got an Icon VHF over here, as well as a Fusion stereo control with JL audio speakers throughout the boat. If you'll follow me around to the forward of the boat, we're in the bow space now. This is well laid out. It's well laid out for cruising. You have great seats, port and starboard. You've got fold-up backrest for great support if you're wanting to lounge, and that is both the port and starboard side of the boat. In addition, you've got great storage underneath both seats. In front of the helm, this is one of the best storage spots on the boat. So you've got a great lounge space, but underneath the lounge space, you have an unbelievable amount of storage. So there's dedicated rod storage, but also even storage for 5-gallon buckets, safety gear. Up here is your casting platform that just slides in the top of the latch here, or the hatch for the lounge. Again, all stainless steel hardware, latches and hinges. Moving forward, we've got a windlass, easily accessible with a hand remote, and it goes through the bow of the boat, so aesthetically it looks nice. One thing I had left to mention is we have a quantum radar on the boat as well. So to go along with the electronics package, there's also a quantum radar. We're just going to go along the side here. To the starboard side, we have just underneath the helm, we have a head compartment, and your battery switching is also here in this compartment, as well as dedicated storage for your bow table. I'm Kyle Pillsbury with MarineMax Fort Myers. I'd love to talk more with you about this boat. It's my favorite trade for sure that we have right now. You can reach me at kyle.pillsbury@marinemax.com or just stop in and ask for Kyle. Thank you.